Please make yourselves comfortable. Make sure that your back is straight, that your feet are grounded or are completely relaxed. And start inhaling from your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Continue inhaling and exhaling, allowing you to release the tension of the day, the excess of thoughts, and any kind of discomfort that you may feel in your body. Inhale and bring air into those parts of your body that feel heavy and empty. When you exhale, release anything that is disturbing you. I invite you to connect with your heart. And from the center of your heart, imagine a beautiful ray of light connecting your heart with the universe. Allowing yourself to receive the guidance that your mind, your heart, and your body need. Now send a ray of light from your heart through the center of your body into the center of Mother Earth. You are attuning yourself with the energy of the universe, with the energy of your soul, and the energy of Mother Earth. Allow your body to feel that flow, to feel the connection and how different it feels. The connection with the ground and the connection with the universe. Just enjoy and experience this beautiful connection. Now allow your body to open your cells, your bones, your organs, your glands, each tiny little part of you to receive the benefit of the energy that you will receive today. In this moment, release from your mind all the thoughts that you have been absorbing during this week, during this day, from other people, from places where you have been. Imagine how you were holding and grabbing and connecting with the thoughts and ideas of others. And in this moment, you release your mind from that energy, from those thoughts, from those images that maybe you thought they were yours. They belong to somebody else. And you just give the direction to your mind to release those thoughts and to send them where they belong. Imagine all those particles going out from your brain, from your head, and even from your whole body, all the thoughts that you were absorbing about yourself and about the world. Send them back to where they belong. Now pay attention into your chest, into your throat, all the area of your ears, your throat, and your upper chest. Any kind of heaviness coming from the information, the pain, the words, the noise that you have been absorbing through your senses to be released, to be sent back to where that information belongs to. Release your body, your ears from all that noise coming from the world, even coming from your own mind. And just release it. Release the heaviness that maybe you took into your shoulders, into your throat, that was belonging to somebody else, that unconsciously you chose to help them by carrying that information within yourself. Just release. Now go into your belly, all the area of your belly, your lower belly, your middle back, your lower back. And release from your body all the sensations and the emotions that you absorb from places, from people, from their own experiences. All those emotions that were activated in your body through the emotions that were felt by others. Release all that energy and that information from your body. Send it back to where that belongs. Try to feel now the difference in your body, in your mind, in your throat, in your chest, in your back, in your belly. Releasing all that heaviness. And if there's still something else that you feel is stuck, then release all that information into the ground. All the information that you activate in you that belongs to human beings. Just release that. Empty your body and your mind from information that is not yours. Now, with this connection activated within yourself, with this emptiness, allow yourself to connect even more deep with the sensations in your body. Allow your feet to feel your roots grounding you, allowing you to create the flow of your energy into the ground. Feel how strong you feel by connecting yourself with the ground, how safe it is to connect with the energy of today. Allow yourself to experience the energy that our planet is receiving today. Align your physical body to the energy that is happening in this planet. Remember that your heart is connected to Mother Earth, and you receive the wisdom, the care, the support of Mother Earth. And you receive and activate in your physical body exactly the same energy that is happening in our planet today. Each one of your cells, your bones, your organs, your glands, your mind, and your heart is vibrating with the energy available to you in the land where you are today. Just experience this feeling, connecting physically with the place where you are, with the land and the resources of the land where you exist today. Now I invite you to place your hands with your palms facing the sky. And in this moment, open your heart and your mind to release any kind of program, any kind of thought and experience is keeping you away from receiving. Connect with your body and try to find in your physical body where that energy is felt, is blocked, and is keeping you away from fully receiving guidance, receiving love, receiving money, receiving health, receiving whatever you need to receive. Just sense in your body the part that is closed, where that information has been stopped. It doesn't matter where this is coming from or when was created. Just release the energy. Imagine how you send it out of your body through your head, and you're sending that information, that energy, into the light of the universe. I release my body. I release my cells, my bones, my glands, my organs. I release any kind of loyalty that is keeping me away from receiving. Any kind of guilt that I have been carrying within myself, mine or not mine, consciously and subconsciously, that is keeping me away from receiving all that energy that I have been stocking in me as memories, programs, emotions, to not receive everything that I am, to punish me by keeping me away from receiving what is mine, receiving knowledge, receiving wisdom, receiving energy. Just release all that energy into the light of the universe, allowing it to become light. Release all those particles with kindness, with love, with ease. Now, in this moment, open yourself to receive the divine meaning, the divine concept of receiving. Allow your whole body to download the divine concept of receiving. Open your brain, your mind, each one of your energy centers, your heart, your body, your home, your job, your bank account, your energy to receive guidance, receive love, receive abundance, receive life as it is. Pay attention into the sensations in your body. Maybe you will identify any kind of resistance. Just allow it to be. But continue sending an energy of receiving. Recognize in your body, in your heart, in your mind, how does it feel to receive everything that is available for you in this moment from the universe, from air, from yourself. Allow your mind, your heart, and your body to integrate this energy properly. Allow yourself to integrate this energy during this week. Recall the energy every time you need it, every time the words just come into your mind. Activate the sensation that you experience today while receiving this program, while opening yourself to receive, whatever that means for you, whatever your body needs to receive, whatever your mind needs to receive, whatever your energy and your life needs to receive. Embrace it with gratitude, with calm and ease. Place your hands in the center of your chest and just say thank you. Take a deep inhalation from your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Once more, inhale very deep. Exhale and start moving your fingers, your neck, your toes. Inhale once more. And when you exhale, you can open your eyes.